Yeah, what's going on, friends? What's going on? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you guys are. We've got a lot of trading days, lovely days, and difficult days. So I was just thinking about you guys, my followers, my fans, all over the social network, be you Twitter, Instagram, you know, Facebook, and YouTube. You know, we all know how to trade forex, and some of us even don't have experience. But I'm talking about those beginner traders, or those ones who look like maybe they have been trading and finding it so difficult to move to the next level. I was browsing through the internet today, and I found something that looks like this, and I feel I have to share this with my followers. This is called the 1000 pips client bar system. I just went through it, gave it a look. I find out that this could be like so beneficial to the beginners, I think, to say the beginners who don't know how to, maybe who still find it difficult on how to navigate the price. Because the price is your friend and the trend is your friend, but there are certain places where the trend will become choppy, and the beginners will have problem in that kind of zone. When you make the money following the trend, it gets to a point whereby the market becomes choppy, and that money will be taken away from you by choppy market. So this is where a lot of beginners fall into victim, you know. So I found this one that says the easy way to follow the forex. Easy way to follow the forex, which I believe is true. After I went through all these things, I see it as if this is the truth. This is a very great system that even a blind trader can follow it blindly with no analysis and nothing else anymore, giving you direction, entry price, take profit levels, and everything you need to know, and giving you direction arrow from the beginning till the end. And when the market is choppy, it will still tell you the market is choppy. I will put the link behind this video, but you can do yourself a little favor to see it as a kind of opportunity to be liberated, to liberate yourself, to know why the market price will move the way it used to move. When you have this type of system that you can follow it, and it will lead you and teach you and guide you and show you when the market is choppy. When you use this for long time, you follow this, then you will understand that there is a reason why the market behaves the way it's got to behave. You see, all parameters are provided: entry point, take profit, stop loss level, and everything is provided, which will be hanging by the left hand side of your screen. You see everything telling you. One thing I believe in this type of system is that it's doing the analysis for you. The most difficult part of the forex market is analysis. You see, after the analysis is going to be entry. Some people might be good to analyze the market, but after you analyze, the entry is wrong. The analysis became so you don't know the meaning of that analysis because the entry is already wrong. This is one system that analyzes the market for you and still give you the entry point where you will go and pending order, and you follow all this target zone, and you're gonna go chase 1000 pips in the market, because this system is set up in a way that it guides you through 1000 pips. Honestly, I don't know how difficult it takes for some traders to make 1000 pips, in the market, or how easy it is for some traders to have patience to follow one pair going through 1,000 pips. But when you get a system that is good, a system that can do the job, this is the system I'm talking about. Okay? It has a strong result day in, day out. Okay? A signal produced by the 1,000 pips climber Forex system aim to be highly accurate. You see? And that is the truth, because I know I've used this type of thing before. I've used this type of system before. They are always accurate. They are always accurate. This will be very good for the beginners. Okay? When I was starting my trading journey, I traded blindly until when I began to open my eyes to all these indicators and system. I came to realize that the most difficult part of the Forex business is analysis. Okay, analysis. After the analysis is going to be your entry. Because when your analysis is good, but your entry it's so bad, then I think maybe you have only 10% winning rate in the market. But when you got a system like this that has done the job, both the analysis and the entry zone for you, just like this, then I think you have 80 to 90% winning chance in this market. So when you have 80 to 90% winning chance, then everything left is just sit back and repeat the same thing over and over again, because the real logic into success is to be able to repeat the same thing you do every day. Repeat everything, same. So they said you should follow this thing with confidence, because this thing is based on the 100% rule. It doesn't violate the rules. You understand? Follow it with confidence. They said no more guesswork, because by the time you're looking at your chart, there's no system, there's nothing. You're just looking at a chart and you want to guess the trend. Where is it going? You see, now you guess it, but something has done that job for you and told you, it's telling you, hey, there's no point for you to guess. Follow this arrow and keep going. With all these things it's giving you, all this signal direction, everything. I mean, there's nothing more than this, honestly. Oh, I will really appreciate the people who created this thing, this type of thing. Honestly, I think I will get one of these too, in order to include it in my own analysis tool. Yeah, analysis tool. Now look at, easy to follow anywhere, visual, audio, and email notification, sending it directly to your phone. Maybe you are on iPhone or Android, it's gonna send it to you. So you will not even miss any entry, any signal. They said it's good for a perfect beginner. Perfect for the beginner. Yeah, because whatever we Forex trader also want to do in the market, the first thing we want to think about is the beginner. The beginner Forex trader, the one we kind of try to relate them as our younger ones. We know everything that those kind of traders will go through. We know they will be confused, they will be panic. You understand? So this is why I found this thing. This thing was dropped on my blog. I know most of you know where my blog is, right? Yeah, this thing was dropped on my blog. So I found it. I feel this will be so good for a lot of Forex traders out there. So I think I will not be able to say much about it because of my time is, far going on this video. If you want to see it, I will put the link to the page on my blog, so you can go and Just have a look at it. You understand? There's one English adage that says that the system works and people fail. And this is true because a system is always perfect. The human always confused. So, if you think it's high time to take your own Forex to the next level and stop guessing, we don't need a guessing work, you know. We don't need a guessing work. So, do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor to go and check this out. Check it out, because this might be something that will solve that problem. That problem that you see in front of you that gets you confused day in, day out. This might be anything that can solve it. The way I'm looking at this, machine, this machine is gonna be something that will solve the problem of someone out there. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna sign up now. If you're interested in it, go check it out. Systems better, human confused. Thank you so much. Bye bye.